Yes.
What if be this one now? Person wey your feet dey ask me get us of mind. What if now they stop me for community with una noise o? Una go take am easy. What if be this one now? For this kind of hot afternoon.
Baby faster.
I beg, as you go beg una, muna dey take this noise easy. I beg. Now they decide for this house. I beg, no not for my house o. Just scream down this house. I beg, take am easy. Solo, we not get a bill for family o. This hot afternoon. Hey.
Babe, you have to reduce your voice. We are not the only one in this house.
When I'm in my own house with my own husband, I should my voice for that nonsense. Just to stand up. Stand up and come out it. Remove it. Move it. Sharp. Nonsense.
I'm done with you guys. I am done with every one of you. You guys are leaving my house today. Efe, you are leaving my house right now and never to return. That's all. I am being disrespected in my house. What nonsense. Earlier today I was making out with my wife. Efe had the audacity, the temerity to come and bang on my door, telling me that my wife and I are screaming too loud. What nonsense is that? No, since when did that rubbish start? Now listen, I can no longer harbor you guys in this house.
Abo! Abo! Hey, Abo, see, Solo, you are mad. Something is wrong with you. You want to make out with your wife, you used to disturb the peace of your elder brothers. So you don't know where I'll tell you. Did I ask you? If this family be a ferry come back for that, now leg I'll take matcha and mental. If you want to make out, you go tell you and your wife, not disturbing the peace of your elder brothers. For our papas. One thing where I got up for this matter, I'm saying, any woman who enter this family can't destroy her. Holy Ghost!
Since you marry this wife now, so problem we don't get for this house. One problem or the other. You won't bring disunity among us. See, Solo, as long as I'm alive, as long as they are alive and the eldest son of this family, none of us, nobody they go anywhere. This FSA when you say me come up for this house, you know what FSA not do for you. When the EFCC come boss you when you come for Ghana, not be FSA, boss one of the EFCC head. As long as I'm concerned, the senior son of this house, nobody is going anywhere. The only person who will come up for this house, now that your wife.
Now you lie. You are leaving my house. And let me tell you, from today I'm no longer your brother. Now let me remind you something. That when a man gets married and when the woman gets married, they leave their parents out.
Bam! Bam! Now the reason why you and your wife come from my past. Get out!
You are leaving this house.
Get out!
All of you get out.
Go from my way! Go my way!
Soloro.
Bro, I never saw him today.
Onyabo, join us now.
Oh, I should join you guys. But you all know I'm not dumb. Okay, I should join you guys to eat the food so that you can poison me. The way I poison many fear. Odonye, I should eat, get poisoned and die. So that you all will effortlessly take all that I've worked for and chase my wife away from my house. Odonye, you know I'm too smart for that. But you all should watch your back. This house is no longer the way it used to be. Watch your back.
I'm coming.
Listen, baby.
Sister.
Sister, welcome. How are they for this time?
Fine. Sister, it's not as if I'm not happy to see you. But when we spoke last, you didn't say anything about you coming. This one is a surprise to me.
Neither did my wife and I discuss your coming.
My great-in-law, I don't need any invitation to come see my younger sister for her husband's house. So therefore, now me invite myself. You see, you remember the last time when we talked on phone? You tell me say somebody there for this house when they trouble you. You tell me say somebody there for this. I don't know the left to drink water, the drop cup. I don't show. Eh, no. Tell the person say I don't show.
I don't want peace.
Active.